Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy a blue screen problem easy and quick. First, if you want to fix it, click here and then type here Windows Update Settings. Now click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and now close it. And after that, type here Task Manager. Now go to processes, and maybe you find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then close all the applications that you don't need here. And after that, go to details and scroll down until you find applications that start with H, and here it is. G. If you can't find H, just stay with G, and then go and launch Hogwarts Legacy, and then go back here. It's say you will find it here. Right click on it if you find it. Right click on it and then click set priority and make it high, and then click change priority, and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.